Hey guys, today we'll be exploring the vaccine finder option of Paytm. The video is for those who have already Paytm installed. If not, you can install the Paytm in your mobile, and the link is there in the description. Once you have installed it, you can register and log in. Once you log into the Paytm app, you can see that there's a vaccine finder option. If you just scroll a bit down, just click on that vaccine finder. So when you click on that vaccine finder option, you will be asked for entering the PIN code where you want to take the vaccine. So enter your PIN code and then the age group. What age group you want, 18 to 44 or 45 plus vaccine you want. Then you have a dose 1 or dose 2, whatever you are opting for. So after that you can click on check availability. When you click on check availability, if any slots will be there, it will show. If not, then it will notify. You have an option to for the Paytm to notify you when the vaccines are available. So when you click on that, you will get a notification as well that you have successfully subscribed to the notification or when the slots will be available. Once the slots are available, you will immediately get a pop-up notification and you can head towards the message to see it and book it as well. So that's all guys. If you like the video, just hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel.